want to move this off the roof, and I'm going to move it from there to here. It'll also be able to be propped up that way and that way. Be nice if I could prop it up that way as well, wouldn't it? Or that way. Really, because then I can mount it. I don't know, I'm going to mount that like that. I'll have to have a think about that one. The TV aerial is going to go here, this side, but much higher than it is now. Because it's just about half the size too short. I want to get a Wi-Fi aerial that will come up here, across that way. Let's try that in a different colour. So hopefully we can see it. There's be a Wi-Fi aerial there. That's what she needs, Wi-Fi aerial there. This television aerial is going to go up here. It's a good one. But it's going to have to be metal all the way down there and screwed there. And then this solar panel, yeah, it's going to go that way or that way or that way. I can't work out how to do it yet, but like that. Yeah. Okay. And then it will keep, that will allow all this lot from here to here to be clear, just in case I want to mount something else. Let's take that off. The other thing I'm thinking is, should I paint this and this bit and all the way around here black? Should I have a black roof or should I keep it white? I don't know. See, that's hard to work out really. I'll have to have another look at the actual van, but that's what I want to do. I want to mount that lot at the back. And then this will be off of here and it will be here. And hopefully be able to move it if need to be. It's only a small one anyway, but yeah. Hopefully. Take that off of there. And the question is, what could I put on here? I suppose I could have a storage unit, but then it can't come any higher, changing colours, but then it can't come any higher than the Wi-Fi thing, can it? So let's take that off of there. Could have a storage unit that's not too big there, I suppose. Possibility. It's good being able to draw it on the roof so that you can then tell exactly what you're going to put where and how, and if it works.